your question.
Ja kādam ir jautājumi, tad mēs varam to noklausīties.
Sandra has a question yesterday.
Well,
With a different answer.
I'm not sure I got the real point of it. I was a bit tired last night.
Tas sāls bija laikam vairāk par to meditēšanas tehniku, varbūt vairāk. Kad es kā tur es meditēju par to, kad es esmu, ka es neesmu identiska ar savām daļām, un kad es pieskaros, vai man kāds pieskarās manai vienai rokai, tad pieskarās man, bet ja roka ir nogriezt un pieskarās manai rokai, tad tas vairs nav tā kā man. Un vai ir pietiekoši, ka es visu laiku sevi kā to skaitu, un visu laiku tikai domāju, ka es neesmu identiska ar savām daļām, tāpēc, kad es tas un tas un tas. Vai tā var sasniegt tukšumu, vai tur vajag kaut kā drusciņu tā kā.
Šeit uz to jau bija atbild, ka nē.
Jā, bet tad varbūt par to tehniku, varbūt var kaut kā saprat.
The question is more about this technique, how to meditate. Sandra explained that if she meditated with this reasoning that when about being identical with her parts or not being identical. First she thinks that if somebody touches her hand, he touches herself, Sandra. But if the hand is cut off, then when somebody touches this hand, he is no more touching Sandra. And so that can meditating in this way bring to understanding of emptiness. This is the first question, and the second, if not, maybe you could elaborate on how to do these kind of meditations.
Maybe we want less elaboration, not more.
Varbūt nevajadzētu tik daudz tādu izvērstu paskaidrojumu, drīzāk vajadzētu mazāk paskaidrojumu.
So what was the first bit about? Yeah, if they touch your hand, they touch you. That's just to prove that you are not separate from your parts.
Tad attiecībā uz to gadījumu, kad kāds pieskarās jūsu rokai, kas vēl ir kopā ar jums.
Yeah, I mean, there's some people who seriously try to say that you are separate from your parts.
Tad tas pierāda to, ka jūs esat vienots ar savām daļām. Jo ir cilvēki, kas saka, ka jūs esat atdalīts no savām daļām.
But we're trying to say that's not really on, that's not really reasonable.
Bet mēs mēģinām pateikt, ka tas nav pilnībā atbilstoši.
If your body grows fat, you grow fat.
Tas nozīmē, ka ja jūs ķermenis pieņemās svarā, tad jūs pieņematies svarā.
Or if your mind gets educated, then you become educated.
Ja jūsu prāts kļūst izglītots, tad jūs kļūstat izglītoti.
So you don't go beyond your parts. Whatever your parts do, or whatever your parts, whatever they're like, then you're like that.
Jo attiecīgi, kad kaut kas notiek ar jūsu daļām, tad tas skar arī jūs.
So that's to try and stop you going along with the idea that you can be separate from your parts.
Tas palīdz saprast, ka jūs neesat atdalīts no jūsu daļām.
But does that imply then that you are identical with your parts?
Bet vai tas nozīmē, ka jūs esat identiski ar savām daļām?
You know, if they touch your hand, they touch you, sure.
Ja viņi pieskarās jūsu rokai, dabīgi viņi pieskarās jums.
But that doesn't mean your hand is you.
Bet tas nenozīmē, ka jūsu roka ir jūs.
You know, you can still make a distinction. You still have to make a distinction between you yourself and your parts.
Joprojām mēs varam, mums ir jāveic šis dalījums starp jums un daļām.
And what your parts are can change through time, of course.
Un šīs jūsu daļas laika gaitā var mainīties.
You know, if you did cut your hand off,
Piemēram, ja jūs nogrieztu savu roku,
then after that you'd be a one-handed person. You wouldn't necessarily die, you know. You could be a one-handed person.
pēc tam jūs būtu vienkārši persona.
Yeah, so then,
Viena roka.
so then that hand that you'd had chopped off would then,
Patiesībā tas var nopietni.
Protams,
Kā
example.
smieklīgi. I do not understand why he's laughing.
so then you touch that hand that's been separated from you, but that's no longer part of you. So if you touch the hand, you don't touch part of you, and you don't touch you either. The hand is not a part of you; it's not you. So you don't cling on to the idea that hand is still part of you. You've lost it; it's gone. So it's just it used to belong to you, but it doesn't anymore.
Nu jā, kad šī roka jau ir atdalīta, tad tā vairs nav nedz jūs, nedz jūsu daļa. Tad jūs vairāk, jums nav jēgas pieķerties tai domai, kad roka ir daļa no jums.
So the parts that make you up, they can change all the time, just as you change all the time.
Tās daļas, no kā jūs sastāvat, var mainīties, gluži tāpat kā jūs laika gadā mainīties.
So at some point you no longer even have a body. You'll just say you are see you as you know, the person who's got that mind which is going off to the next life, and that they've left this familiar body behind altogether. You know, that's just a corpse that we want to get rid of as soon as possible.
Un kādā
It's no
brīdī
longer part of you.
jums vairs nebūs arī ķermeņi, būs vairs tikai lītis, kas vairs nebūs jūsu daļa, un būs tikai prāts, kas dodas tālāk.
So when you think, am I identical with my parts or not? Just think of the parts you've got at the moment. Yeah.
Un tajā brīdī, kad mēs veicam pārdomas, vai mēs esam identiski ar savām daļām vai nē, vienkārši tajā brīdī ir jādomā par tām daļām, kādas mums ir šobrīd.
It's not much use of thinking about parts that you used to have.
Nav liela jēga domāt par tām jūsu daļām, kuras jums agrāk bija.
Yeah, but then you know that impermanence of you know your parts are changing all the time. That can be brought into the meditation, but you keep it simple. Just keep with the parts that you've already got and what you have at the moment.
Protams, var ieviest šo nepastāvības momentu pārdomāšanu meditācijā, bet var vienkārši arī to meditāciju saglabāt pēc iespējas vienkāršāk un pārdomāt tikai par tām daļām, kas ir šajā brīdī.
And I'm not identical with my parts because the main reason the parts are many
Un es
and I
neesmu,
am just one.
un es neesmu identisks ar savām daļām, tāpēc, ka galvenais iemesls es esmu viens, bet daļas ir daudz.
Yeah, so when you're looking for yourself, you know, then you can't just point to the parts and say, that's me.
Jo, kad jūs meklējat sevi, tad jūs nevarat norādīt uz kādu no daļām un teikt, ka tas esat jūs.
You know, you might think, oh, well, there's no separate self.
Un, mēs varētu domāt, ka labi nav atdalītais.
If I take away my parts, well, there's no self left.
Ja es paņemu prom visas manas daļas, tad vai paliek es.
We might agree with that. So then you say, well, where am I then? Well, then all that's left is just the parts. I'm just the parts, you know.
Un tad mēs tam it kā varētu piekrist, un tad kas it kā paliek pāri, un tad mēs varētu domāt, ka es esmu vienkārši daļas.
Am I just the same as my parts then, you're asking?
Un tad mēs varam sev uzdot jautājumu, vai es vienkārši esmu daļas.
No, there's some difference, you see. So, you know, in dependence upon the parts, the self arises.
Tad ir zināma